Guys, I'm coming at you with a tutorial. It's updated for 2024. It's a Pokemon Go spoofer, guys. This is the real working 2024 Pokemon Go spoofer, guys. Keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. It's super cool, guys. You get like joystick. You have a bar on the right side of the screen so you can walk around the Pokemon world from your house. You have a speed hack aimbot. So it's pretty insane. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. It fully works, guys. So let's get right into the tutorial. Guys, so as you can see, I have Pokemon Go Spoofer, so I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So as you can see, we have like joystick, we have the bar, all the settings you need to become a Pokemon Go master. Of course, the enhanced throw only works if you throw the ball right, but I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device, so let's get right into the video. So what we're going to do, guys, is use generative AI tech to get a spoofer that's unbannable and works on iOS and Android. So to do that, we're going to go to this website called tweakgpt.com. So once you're on the site, guys, it's going to say like discover modded apps. So you want to go to the search bar and just type in Pokemon. Also be very careful that you don't put like the thing over the E. So anyway, it's going to say multiple matches found. So I want Pokemon Go Spoofer, so I'm going to press on this. And it's going to say need the Pokemon Go Spoofer. Here's how. Go to ZooMods and search for Pokemon Go Spoofer and download it. So let's go to ZooMods and just type in Pokemon Go. And sure enough, there it is, Pokemon Go Spoofer. So be sure to try this out for yourself. It's super insane, guys, and it fully works. So if you're poor, can't afford driving and gas and all that, then you're going to love this, guys. It's legit, and it works, and it's so cool. I got so many features using this spoofer, guys, and I was able to become the top Pokemon Go player. I mean, this is super insane, guys, and it totally works. So, yeah, this is pretty crazy, as you can see. So that is so wild, bro. Look at all the settings you get. So yeah, this is super cool. There's also this like map you can do where it takes you somewhere, which is really nice. So if you want to like, I guess, get different Pokemon. There's also the hotspot thing, which takes you to huge cities, which is epic. So yeah, there's a ton of features in here, guys. So remember, all you have to do basically is come to this website and then go to the search bar and type in Pokemon, and it should come up, and there it is. So be sure to try this out for yourself, guys. It's super crazy, and it's fully working. So if this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome, and it is totally updated and everything. So there's haters in the community, but trust me, guys, this is a legit way to get the Pokemon Go spoofer onto your device. If you're someone that's like, oh, well, you know, I just stopped playing Pokemon Go because I can't afford it. Well, now you don't have to even leave your house. You can just play it in your home. So this is super cool, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. And obviously, guys, if you're not careful, you will get banned if you're violating the terms and conditions. Like teleporting a ton and buying Pokeballs for free. So be sure you're careful with the spoofer, and you shouldn't have any problems. So I'm gonna see you later. Peace out.